parts shop on a Saturday instead of a Sunday. Anyway, need to make a shout out. We got our 500th subscriber today, just an hour ago. Michigan Truckin' started following us. That was subscriber number 500. Oh, speaking of trucking, truck race is on. Yeah, so 500 subscriber, we're getting there. Need 500 more to get monetized, so share the channel. Share, get everything handled. Let's get to 1,000, let's get monetized. And I got a bunch of videos I need to make live that I haven't, they're uploaded, I just haven't had time to make live. I mean, there's probably 400, 500 videos. It's just, there's a lot more work than there is time to work on the channel, unfortunately. But, you know, mostly one-man show. Busy, you know how it is. Got a bunch of other stuff going on too, so. Anyway, congrats, Michigan Truckin'. Welcome. Thank you for being 500. And, another thing, if we're going to be anywhere in SoCal on the 15th of October, Great Autos has Casual Concourse over in Cathedral City. At Desert Princess, their show is from 10 to 3, I believe. They have a dinner after if you want to go to that.